All right, well, back here on Earth, it's a hot mess, and I mean that because temperatures very, very warm, above average this time of year, and the visibility is a mess this morning. It has been since about 2:30, since I first stepped outside. If you're just waking up and getting ready to go to work, look outside your window, factor that into your morning commute because it is soupy out there. It's one of those mornings you can't see your hand in front of your face. Probably the foggiest morning I've seen since I've worked here. So crazy, crazy. Visibility at about 1 mile or less here in Columbia, getting to be about 1/4 of a mile in Orangeburg over toward Florence. And it's been fluctuating all morning long, but definitely staying on the low side. We have that dense fog advisory in effect until 9 a.m. this morning. So again, leave yourself a little extra time this morning, extra space between yourself and the car in front of you. You never know when they're going to come across a deer or maybe a car that stopped short in front of them very suddenly. You want to be ready for that, okay? Maybe just be a little bit late today. It's not the end of the world. It's all going to be all right. And that advisory is in effect for areas in North Carolina, Georgia, and Florida as well. So if you're traveling on the roads today, you're going to see that. Here you can see that huge advisory taking over the southeast, and there is some rain and flooding advisories and watches taking place in the Ohio and Tennessee River valleys this morning due to extensive amounts of rain from an area of low pressure that's located in New England with a trailing cold front. You see all that rain associated with it. Now that's our next weather maker. We're going to see that rolling into the Midlands probably tonight, dropping some rain on us throughout our Wednesday. And then it's going to move on out very quickly, leaving behind some very, very cold temperatures and dry conditions. So that's pretty much how it's going to look for us for the rest of the week. Taking a closer look here, you can see kind of the cloud coverage that's moving into our area. These warm temperatures and all the moisture that's being drawn up from the Gulf is why we're seeing all this surface moisture, which translates into our fog this morning. So that's what's shaking. This morning when you get up to go to work, it's going to be about 60 degrees, 65 at lunchtime, topping out around 70. Some models even calling for warmer temperatures. This evening is going to be a warm one too. Overnight low only 58 degrees. So if you want to take a walk or something tonight, go ahead and do that. But be prepared to have an umbrella handy just in case some of those raindrops come in a little early. Taking a quick look here at our extended forecast, you can kind of see what's shaking. Tuesday night sees about 20% chances of rain turning into 60% chances for our Wednesday. Pearl Harbor Day tomorrow, a day that will live in infamy. And then on Thursday, the sun comes back out, and look at that decrease in temperatures all the way down to the mid-50s and back into the 30s for those overnight lows. So enjoy these warm temperatures while we have it today. Taking a look at the weekend, plenty of sunshine, but once again, cold and dry conditions for the Midlands. A lot more coming up on Good Day Columbia. Please stay with us.